In this video, we will learn about the principle of flotation. Now we have studied that why do objects float or sink when they are placed on the surface of a fluid. Whenever an object is immersed in a liquid, there are two forces acting on it. First is the weight force, that is dragging the object downwards. Okay, that is equal to mg. Okay, now it acts on the center of gravity of that particular object. Now it has the tendency to sink the object. Now, the weight force is equal to the volume of the object into the density of the object into gravitational acceleration. Okay, volume into density means mass. So it is basically mg. Second is the upthrust force Fb, which is acting in upward direction and it acts on the center of buoyancy. Okay, now as per the Archimedes principle, the upthrust is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the immersed object. The magnitude is equal to the volume of liquid displaced by the object into density of the particular liquid into gravitational acceleration. Now, depending upon the relative values of the weight and the upthrust force, there are three possibilities. First possibility is that the weight of the object is greater than the weight of the displaced liquid. Okay, or I can say the weight of the object is more than the upthrust force. In this particular situation, the object will sink at the bottom of the particular vessel. Now in this particular situation, the apparent weight is equal to the actual weight minus weight of the displaced liquid. In this particular case, volume of the liquid displaced is same as the volume of the object. Hence the condition where weight is more than the upthrust force may also be stated in terms of density as an object of density rho will sink in a liquid of density rho L if the density of the object is more than the density of liquid. As an example, we know that density of the steel is 7860 kilogram per meter cube and that of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. As the densities of steel is greater than the density of water, a steel needle or a steel block or cylinder will sink in water. Second possibility can be that weight of the object is exactly equal to the weight of the displaced liquid or the net force acting on the object is zero. It means that given object will neither sink nor float but remain fully immersed in the liquid just below the surface as shown in this particular figure. In this particular situation, the apparent weight will be zero. Okay, now in this case also, volume of the displaced liquid is exactly same as the volume of the immersed object. Hence, the condition where weight is equal to the upthrust force may also be stated in terms of density that if the density of the given object is equal to the density of the liquid, the object will neither float nor sink but will remain fully immersed in liquid. Now, in this particular situation, the center of buoyancy and the center of gravity are same as you can see in this particular figure. The third possibility is that the weight of the object is less than the weight of the liquid displaced. In this particular situation, there is a net upward force, okay, because Fb is greater than W, right? Now, the object will float partially above the liquid and partially below the liquid surface as shown in this particular figure. In terms of density, I can say the density of the object is less than the density of the liquid. Now, in this particular situation, the center of gravity is above the center of buoyancy, okay, because the center of buoyancy can only be taken for the object part which is below the liquid surface, okay. Now in this particular situation, the apparent weight of the object is zero as well. Now we can see that the density of softwood is 525 kilogram per meter cube, which is less than the density of water, which is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Hence the wooden block will float on water. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.